Look, right there, right there. Aaron. Over there. I got him.
Possible fannies upstairs, but movement is here. We're definitely hurt as well watching fire.
Shut the fuck up! Good job.
Right there.
Great idea. Yeah, great idea.
Push around the back, push around the back.
There's target practice there, eh?
Oh, you serious?
Like, I'm not,
We're in the building this right now.
I don't. Oh, good luck, wait.
Over there, over there. Oh!
Look at you.
You flew out, you're gone. Oh.
From where?
Keep moving, keep moving. I'll take left. Clear. Watch my side, watch my side. Orange.
Go. Run.
Here, push up, push on. Aaron, can you give me a boost?
In there.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. You're a fucking fat ass. Where's your going? He fuck.
Get down!
Well, bird shit on the floor. Hit.
And scary, get scared.
Oh, the five.
There's 5 of them.
Don't
there,
do that.
but we have
I'm
3.
gonna do it. Shoot there.
And you just put right here. They're all there. Well, goddamn.
Why didn't the shoe?
No gas. Got the wrong mag. That son of a bitch. Just like my other mag. Is that I fucking lost it? Ha, you're out of gas as well.
No, I'm not actually. Pull it back.
Ha, you're out of gas.
You just have to give him your Snapchat too and then just bend over for 5 minutes.
What?
Whoa, G-string, calm down. Whoa, whoa, where'd the kid come from? Hit! Oh, nice. Wherever the fuck that was.
Two down.
Fuck you. One more there, boy Lee right now.
He's coming. Ah, hit.
No, through the pallet. Through the pallet. Doesn't count.
Fuck.
Doesn't count.
That hurt. Got another one?
Get close enough and drop the grenade.
Here, I'm after killing that kid.
Hit.
Can't take my yoke out.
Stuck.
Yeah. What did you just shoot me with?
Nothing.